So one of the questions a lot of people ask is how they could go and have a booth with a video screen without breaking the bank and getting one of these custom built things. Well, ProX has got a very neat little DJ booth here. You see it's a metal frame that has the facade, the Scrim type of facade, which we can do some things with lights and make it glow. Now it's kind of neat. It's got its tabletop, which can go at 2 different heights. You can see it's on its low height. For those of us who are taller, me, I would go to the top height. It has the shelf that goes across. Very nice configuration. But what's neat about this is that you have the ability with the zippers, scrims here to be able to add a monitor, the bracket for a large monitor. So you can have the quick release of the bracket and be able to take that monitor and slap it on there, run the wires onto there, and you're going to have a nice clean look, and you're going to have the ability to have video on the front of your DJ booth. This is one of the cool things. I'll put links in the description below and all the names and such on this to make sure I have it right from their website. But I just want to give you guys a little heads up that adding a TV to your DJ booth isn't as hard as it used to be. We're at DJ Expo 2019.